Get my little hood. Alright, so to catch you boys up, I called Mr. T. Finally, he came through with the stud welder, you know what I'm saying? And well, basically, I had this little dent. I took the little bzz machine, you feel me? And, you know, made it to the bare metal with the bzz machine. So we sanding it down with the 180, going down to the bare metal so we could stud weld and pull the dent out. So, you know what I'm saying? We just going over the little shits right now. So if y'all got y'all some popcorn, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. I got gas going on. What I'm supposed to be doing? I love y'all boys, you know what I'm saying? Make sure I get y'all some money on. Stay away from the dudes, man, and keep grinding on GDBD Vice Lord.
A little older, you understand that shit a little bit more, you understand? I don't know why, and I don't know why, don't know why I get so high, yeah. I'm thinking maybe it's just to get by, yeah. Someone smoking while I drive, yeah. I'm on the freeway while I high, rolling. The police outside, hear the sirens patrolling. But it don't matter, cause I keep rolling. Cause I don't know why, yeah. I don't know why I get so high, yeah. Maybe it's just to get by, yeah. You know that I'm honest and I won't lie, yeah. Maybe it's just to get by. I'm tryna get fried. Don't be with the bullshit, I ain't wasting my time. I'm tryna get by, don't be draining my high. This the life of a lonely nigga, like this is a crime. I know why I get high, cause my mom in a fucked up position. That's some shit that's fucked up, little nigga. That's some shit I don't even wanna think about. And I waste my time while I'm talking to people. When I'm talking to people, they don't even listen. So what the fuck I'm talking to them for? That shit fucked up, my nigga. I'm the biggest tree, how you gonna tell me about me? And I've been standing this long and it's fucked up cause you don't see my vision. But that's just me, my boy. But it's cool, I'm cool with living like a villain. Long as I'm good, long as my family good, I'ma show my brother how to stand up with his 10 strong, my boy. Get high, yeah. Maybe it's just to get by, yeah. I don't know why I get high.
One gallon of Bondo is way more than enough to do this.
Maybe it's just to get by, yeah. The police patrol outside. I'm trying to get high. I ain't wasting my time. I'm trying to get fried.
Charger still. I might get enough in there too.
I took out the interior too, Mr. T.
Yeah, I see that floor rusted up. You got order you a floor pan.
Well, that costs like $125 for both sides. I'm gonna just get both sides. Like $300, but shit, it's worth it. So what's that like? It's gonna cost me shit $600 to redo my interior for the time being. But I came up with it.
Yeah, let's see. Let me see that grinder. Just wait till the battery charge up, and then just grind them all the way down to the metal. Take that body filler, fill up. And you got a dent right here too. Yep, that dent's gone. Cool. Yeah, they got enough juice to grind it down right now.
Alright, so do I need to take these off too?
Nah, I wouldn't take them. You ain't gotta take them off.
All right,
you can mask them off.
That's them off. It's a bit. $50 Bondo. Alright, while we here, what else? I just need the Bondo.
Nah, I wouldn't get Bondo. You want the good mud.
Well, with the $50, whatever you said. So besides that, what else?
Go to the paint store. You need use a primer. Primer down.
So that primer. That's it.
Tape.
How much that's gonna cost me?
Gallon primer with the activator about $80.
Yeah. I'm gonna be getting that pretty soon. Come look, babe, look. He got the dent out for you. Now I gotta buy the Bondo and shit.
You have dent there?
Yeah. Remember, you probably didn't see it, but that was there when I bought it. It was there when I bought it.
Round player.
Alright, my boy, I'm gonna hit you in a minute.
How you get it out?
With the Paducah machine.
Make your holes in it.
It's cool. I gotta get Bondo anyway. I appreciate you boys for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your boy what y'all want him to post, man. And also, Florida is coming soon. Don't tell nobody else. If you watch this video, you watch it. If you did, you did.
Shut up! I'm